In this video we will learn how to install Python on Windows 11. With that we will also run a sample program. Let us start. At first go to the web browser. On Google type Python and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website. Now keep the mouse cursor on the downloads menu, and now Python 3.14.4 is visible, which is the current version. Click on it to download. So the download started. Let's wait. We have successfully downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Here let us select use admin privileges and add Python to path. After that let us click customize installation. Optional features are visible. It will install pip, which is used to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. It will also install idle or ideally, which is an IDE to run Python programs. Keep the default and click next. Under advanced options, click install Python for all users. And here is the path where Python will get installed. Click install. Python will get installed. Let's wait. We have installed Python. Click close. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start, type cmd, click open, type python hyphen version and press enter. This shows that we successfully installed Python. Let us close this now and run our first program. Go to start. I hope you remember we installed idle. So just type idle and now it will be visible. Click open. Here I'll print something in Python, so whatever you'll add inside the print method will get printed. So let's say I'll just mention my name and I'll press enter, and here is the output, Amit Diwan. To save this file, go to file, click save as. You can save it anywhere. Let's say I'll save it here and I'll mention demo, and it will add the .py Python extension on its own. Click save. Here is a demo.py file, Python file. For a free 6-hour Python tutorial, refer to the links in the description of the video. We have also added the study material for free. Thank you for watching.